What's going on, everybody? So today we're going to see how many 22 bullets can cut down a tree. By definition, a tree is considered, to most dictionaries or whatever, DNR, more than 15 foot tall and more than a 3-inch diameter. That's like a 6-inch diameter. But yeah, so this tree matches all that. If this video does good, I'll cut a big tree down like that one or something with the 22. We're gonna see how many we're gonna see how many bullets can cut down this tree, 22s. So let's get to it. And I'll be keeping track with how many bullets I use because these magazines or clips hold 10. And what will I be using to cut down this tree is this M&P 22 compact. So let's get into it. Mag number 3. Mag number 3. Number 4. Number 5. And the ammo I'm using, I think, is hollow point, 22 hollow point shell. That's what because they expand, because they're like hollow. Number 7. 10. Big old 10. I give it a 10. 10. I give it a 10. And I think there's a daggum storm rolling there or something. 11. This is 110. 110. Number 12. Number 13. She's budging. 140. 22 long rifle. Gosh, look at this old honey jar bottle. 15, number 15. That's 150, 22 long rifle bullets. 17, that's 170 long rifle bullets. Number 18, golly, I have a headache. 180 long rifle bullets. Look, and this one has a switch too. So you go from semi, full auto. I'm just kidding, that's a safety. Number 19, big 190. All right, 220. This is 200 long rifle bullets. My gosh, now there's ants. 210. I didn't do the shortcut. I'm doing the biggest part. 22. This is 220 long rifle bullets. Oh my gosh, my gun's starting to jam too. Oh man, this crap sucks. 23. That's 230 long rifle bullets. My gosh. I'm getting tired of this daggone bottle. 24. This is 240. 240 long rifle bullets. $250 long rifle bullets. Mag 25. Mag 26. Clip, whatever. 260 long rifle bullets. 27. That's 270 long rifle bullets. My phone's gonna go dead or this microphone's gonna go dead, one. I'm holding the wrong ear, man. 290. I mean, 29, 290, 290 rounds of long rifle ammunition, bullets, whatever. I think the tree's gonna get on fire. 300 rounds of 22 long rifle bullets. This is magazine 30. .310, 31. 32, 320 rounds of 22 long rifle. 33, 330. 330 rounds of long rifle. 34, 340. 340 rounds of long rifle. 350 rounds of long rifle. 22 long rifle. This is magazine 35. I don't know. So, a 22 long rifle fired 350 times will cut down a 6 to 8 inch diameter tree. If y'all like that as much as I did, I guess like, subscribe, and let me know what to shoot next.